Hello, hello. How are you doing today? So you're gonna see us in the first clip in here that we went shopping. And now we have our anniversary gift. It's a bag from Rebag. So this one is rehoming this one. So we already know what Rebag is. This one is we went to Arcadia for this one because Seb looked it up and then he checked it out. And then we went there today. And then this one is our anniversary gift. So if you're interested on that, and go check this video out. And then if you like to see more of these unboxing videos like today, give us a like, comment below, share and reshare. And then yeah, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo from Carlo and Seb channel. Here you are with us today to really witness our anniversary gift. And this one is from, ta-da! It's a Louis Vuitton one. So we got this one today. And then it is in a Rebag dust bag. There you go. Hold on. So this is what we got. I just changed position right now. And then, ta-da-da-da. Any guesses on this one? Anyway, no further ado. Hold on. No further ado. Here is our ta-da! Ta-da! It's the clutch. So this one is called, let me see. This is what it is from Rebag. This one is called Louis Vuitton Wallet Trunk Clutch Macassar Monogram Canvas. So yeah. And then this is one with the strap. And then this one is a solid one. So there you go. Take a picture. And then it's in silver colored. And then Sophia approves. Hi Sophia. So what's inside of this one, we'll see. So there you go. And then here is the original dust bag of this one. There you go. And there, the dust bag. And then the receipt. This one is the receipt from the first one who bought this one. And then they bought it for in Osaka, Japan. There you go. And then this one is about 700,000 yen. So there you go. But we didn't pay that much, so that's for sure. So we looked it up. Anyways, he looked it up, and then it is really way cheaper than what it is. But before that, let's look how it is inside. Hold on, how do you do it? Okay. So there you go. There's the inside. It is made in France, yeah. And then there is a 2 compartment. This one will fit a regular iPhone 14 or 15. There's a slot in the middle. And then there's 3 card slot on one side and another 3 slots on the other side. Big compartment on each side of this one. And then there's the code on here. So yeah, so we are really excited to add this one into our collection. This is kind of like the one like the Goyard that we have. And then this one, I will show it to you. So this one we would probably like 60% discount on this one. It was with Fashion File, we saw that it was the original price was $5,000, and then it went down to $3,000. And then with Rebag, because it's Memorial Day sale, so it was 2,200 with the tax and stuff. So it came down from 2,400, and then it was on sale 2,100. And then the lady Yuki, hi Yuki, thank you very much for assisting us today. She's the sales associate at Rebag that able to help us out and show us this one. And then yeah, so it ended up 2,100 or something. How much is it, baby? 2,200 with all the tax and stuff like that. So yeah. And the only thing with this one is just this part, which is we can just color that up. And then there's another one. Minor scratches, but look at how gorgeous it is, right? Oh my gosh. And then it's nice because the flowers aligned really nice. Cute, huh? So there you go, right? So pretty! Anyway, what do you think of this anniversary bag that we have? Thank you, Sebastian. We were so excited. He was really contemplating on this one and really checking this out if this is going to be a good addition into our collection. But we ended up having decided that it is a nice one. So this is the first bag that we have for the year, and it's our anniversary gift bag for each other. And then yeah, so what do you think? Comment below if you like this one. There is a new version of this one that has a lanyard, has a long strap with a both side has a hook on each side that you can put the other one as your lanyard. So yeah, I'm gonna show this one and then the Guyard close to each other, and then you let me know what you think of it. So here you go. Here is Goyard, and then here is the Louis Vuitton clutch. And then you can really tell the big difference with the size of it, and then the thing that it can fit inside. I'll take the strap of this one anyways. So this is the Goyard, and then it's hard trunk too. And then yeah, lately we're kind of like into hard trunk lately, so can you tell? So yeah, so that's what we have. And then it's a really nice collection that we have, like if you're going to look at it. What do you think of this one? Which one do you prefer? Comment below, let us know on that. And then thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo. It's just a short video anyways that we just want to share you what we got for our anniversary gift for 4 years now. That is our wedding anniversary for 4 years. So yeah, there you go. Thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo from Carlo and Seb. We love you all, and do what makes you happy. Comment below, subscribe, and then for more videos, subscribe into our channel, and then don't forget to share this one. Until next time, we'll see you again. Bye.